Hi friends, hope you are doing great. In our last session, we have seen Cloud SQL with MySQL. Today we are going to see Cloud SQL with PostgreSQL. So how to create and connect to a Cloud SQL PostgreSQL instance, and we are going to perform basic SQL operations by using the Google Cloud Platform console and the PSQL client. So we are going to create a database and upload the data and insert the sample data into the Postgres database. Then we will retrieve the data. So I am going to open the console. This is the gcloud console. Okay. So this is the Cloud SQL instance. Just click create instance. So here we have PostgreSQL versions 9.6, 10, 11, 12, 13. So just choose the PostgreSQL. Waiting for the Compute Engine API. Okay. So here we have to give the instance ID. I am giving the PostgreSQL the instance name. Just I am giving this name. I'm sorry. So I am giving the name as my instance. Then we have to give the default user password here. I am giving the password here. I am giving Vairavi, and region US Eastern and zone we can select as per our requirement, and database versions we have 9.6, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can choose as per our requirement. Then I am clicking create now. So instance is being created now. There are already an instance with that name. Okay friends, already I have created the same name with MySQL. If you have not seen my previous video, you can watch that video, then only you can understand it. So already we have created with the same name, so that's what it's coming the error. So just I'm giving 588. Then let's try whether we will not. Now you can see instance is being created now. Instance is being created now. So now I think it will create. So actually if you are giving the instance or name, means after 7 days, if you are deleting that instance, after 7 days only we can reuse the instance. Okay, the same name we can use after 7 days only, after deleting. So the instance is being created now. So it will take few minutes. While this operation is running, you may continue to view information about the instance. So here you can see the CPU utilization and connect to this instance. We can see this connection name here, and here you can see the operations and logs, and here we can see the configuration. It's one virtual CPU and memory is 3.75 GB, and SSD storage it's 10 GB. So database version is PostgreSQL 12, we have selected it. So maintenance it's coming like here. Okay, still it's instance is being creating now. Instance is being created now. Okay, next what we are going to do means we are going to connect to our instance by using the PSQL client in Cloud Shell. So we will activate the Cloud Shell, and in the Cloud Shell prompt we have to connect our Cloud SQL instance. So here we have to give gcloud SQL connect my instance name, our instance name, then hyphen user is equal to Postgres, and we have to enter the Postgres password. So we have to do these things. Okay, still it's being instance is being created. So I am just refreshing it. I have clicked refresh button. Let's see what it's happening now. Still it's being creating, it's being created. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, friends, so that I can upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos. It will encourage me to upload more videos if you subscribe my channel. Still it is being created. Now instance is being created. Okay, let's we walk through the document. So then we have to create a database and we have to upload the data. So we are going to create a SQL database on our Cloud SQL instance. So same thing, whatever we have done for Cloud SQL, the same steps only here also we are going to follow it. Then here create database guest book. It is the database name. Then we will connect to the database / connect and guest book. And third step, insert sample data into the database. Then fourth, retrieve the data, select star from the table name, then the result it will be like this. Then finally we will remove all those things. To avoid incurring charges to our Google Cloud account for the resources used in this lab, in this demo, we have to follow these steps, then we will delete those things. So here also they have given this. We can't reuse an instance name for about 7 days after an instance is deleted. Still instance is being created. Just I'm clicking the refresh button. Let's see. Let's wait for it. Okay, so my instance 588 instance has been successfully created now. Then we have to activate the Cloud Shell. Okay, just click activate the Cloud Shell. So now we will activate the Cloud Shell. We have to click this activate the Cloud Shell. So now it's provisioning. The Cloud Shell is provisioning now. Let's wait for it. Provisioning your Google Cloud Shell machine, establishing connection to your Google Cloud Shell. It's taking some time, so let's wait for it. Okay, I'm coming here and we have to copy this command gcloud SQL connect. Then we have to give our instance name, then user PostgreSQL. Okay, just I'm enlarging it so that you can see it will be clear. Okay, just we have to paste this one command gcloud SQL connect. Then we have to give our instance name -- user PostgreSQL. So it is coming error, the Cloud SQL instance does not exist. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I have given the wrong instance name. Okay, so just remove it, Control V. Okay, I'm sorry, just I'm going here, just copy here and go to this. Our instance name is 588. I have to add it, that's it. My instance 588 we have to add it. Just enter it. So now it will come. So we have to give this one command gcloud SQL connect, then instance name -- user PostgreSQL. So allow listing your IP for incoming connections for 5 minutes. So then it will come. Then we have to give the password. We have to enter our PostgreSQL password. The PSQL prompt appears like this only. So we have to wait for it. Let's wait for it. It's taking some time. Yeah, password we have to enter it. Y Ravi. I am entering the password. Just enter it. Yes, done. You can see the prompt now. It has been changed to Postgres. So just we have to create the database. guest book, just enter it, create database as guest book. Database has been created now. Then you can connect the database now. So how to connect? Just enter this connect guest book. Then again we have to enter the password here. Okay, so we have successfully entered the password now. It has been connected also. Then we have to insert the sample data into the database. So just enter this database. So we have created the table name as entries, and we have given the variables, and we are inserting two rows in the tables. We have given the values first guest and I got here, like that we have given this, and finally we are going to retrieve the data. So you can see, select star from our table name. You can see the result now. So guest name and content entry ID, we can see this. First guest I got here, and second guest me too. So like that we can insert the values into the tables. Then finally we have to delete all those things. So how to delete? So go here, and we have to select this delete option, and here we have to give our instance name. Then we have to click delete. So now the instance will be deleted. Thanks a lot, friends. We have done with Cloud SQL instance. In our next session we will see the Cloud Spanner. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about Google Cloud Platform. Have a great day. Thanks.